Hello everyone, welcome to Apna Growing Up channel. So I hope your preparation is going well for NILET STA exam 2022. Finally, after 1 year, your exam is scheduled on 12th August, I guess, right? So now only we have 10 days, and now in this 10 days, what are the things are there which is most important and on which you should focus, okay? That we will discuss in this video along with your mock test schedule and everything I will discuss in this video. So let's start. So first, as you know that they didn't mention the exam pattern. Okay, so for now what you can consider that you will get 120 questions. Okay, out of this 60 questions will be from your non-technical part, that is aptitude reasoning, and 60 questions you will get from technical part, that is computer science and electronics syllabus. Already they provided big syllabus, okay, for STA post, and this is common for both the field, that is electronics also and computer science also, right? And you will get 2 hours to attempt this 120 questions, and negative marking is there. Negative marking of 0.25 marks is there, positive marking 1 mark. Okay, this is the basic exam pattern we have for NILET STA. Okay, so now straight we will discuss that for this 10 days what you will do and how to do. This is most important question, right? So this segment of video is for only electronics background student or electronics communication or electronics branch. The next those who are from computer science, you can just watch the next segment, right? Now see, if you are from electronics and if you are giving STA exam, you know this is the whole syllabus, I can say. Just I have broadly divided into total 16 chapters. Okay, or I can say subject. It's better to say subject. So as an electronics background, what is expected from you? Okay, that you should know already or you should complete, because already you got lots of time, right? I hope that whatever things or subject of your branch that should get completed in this time, right? So what are the subjects? So first is basics of electronics. Here you need to study, right? Then communication system, data electronics, control system, electromagnetic theory, microprocessor and controller. Okay, then MOSFET and CMOS. Now see, MOSFET and CMOS, basically whatever we studied as a, I can say, construction or fabrication part in electronic devices, okay, that you should know. And then analysis point of view, that we studied in analog electronics. If you have this much idea, then also it's sufficient. No need to go in very much depth, because you see that some part they given of MTech syllabus, not required for this exam, okay, but for MOSFET and CMOS at least EDC and analog knowledge combinedly is required, correct? Then the next is optoelectronics. So this also we studied in your electronic devices also, correct? So I hope that you completed. So till now, if you completed this 8 subject, then is good, right? Then you can just revise and you can practice the questions from our blockwise strategy and mock test, correct? Now the next thing, that extra, that is the computer science background, right? So here you can see basics of computer. Now obviously this basic knowledge everyone have. What is RAM, ROM, okay, then what is operating system, then what is the generation of first generation, second generation. This basic knowledge I hope you have. If you don't have, then in blockwise strategy I already give you the questions. I hope you are practicing that, okay? Already we started blockwise strategy for those who didn't join MSP yet. So after this video you can join MSP and quickly you can start with our blockwise strategy, which is most important, right? And those who already join MSP, I hope you are giving blockwise strategy. So basics of computer also we can do, no problem in that, okay? Now whatever time you got in that, if you already completed C, Java, OOPS concept, then fine. Otherwise what you can do, what your question specifically of OOPS concept I will add in your block test and mock test, okay, that you will do, okay? So till now what is the summary, that 8 chapter compulsory, 8 subject, you should have good knowledge of that. Then 9th one I will add, okay? Then 10th OOPS concept only. If you have basics of C, that is what is function, that is then what are the basic things are there in C, data types and everything, then also fine, okay? But if you don't know about programming, so don't waste your time now studying programming. Obviously not possible to do it in 8 to 10 days, right? So straight away you can skip the part of programming for both C and Java, no problem in that. But if you know the basic concept, because if they ask the basic concept, what is array and everything, then you should know, and definitely that you will get already from our blockwise strategy, correct? Then the basic concept of data structures and algorithm. Here also a very basic question you can expect, but still what I will recommend, that whatever questions are there in our block strat, okay, that you can refer. DBMS also, SQL queries, basically they will ask you a few concepts of DBMS also, they will ask you private key, public key, okay, that you can expect. Computer network, most important, and I hope that you should know this, because lots of time we studied this for other exams also, because mostly for NILET STA now everyone is repeater, there is no fresher, because already it 1 year gone, so all of you are repeater now, okay? In this 1 year of span, I hope you given few exams or many exams, correct? So not now you are not fresher, you are repeater only. So computer network, I hope basic concept you know, what is OSI layer, then what is IPv4 model, IPv6, then what is TCP, IP, UDP, different protocols, different routing devices. I hope this thing you have idea about this, correct? So this also I will include. Web technology, if you know, then you can revise, otherwise skip it, no problem in that. Cyber security also, whatever questions I will add in your block and mock, that only you can do, otherwise no need to read it again. Okay, about artificial intelligence also no need to do again. If you can think, you can digest, then whatever questions I have already added in your block wise strategy and mock test, that you can do. Okay, so overall if you are going for NILET STA with this 8 9, I can say this, okay, then it's combinedly 10 11 12, this 12 subject also, then it is fine, there is no problem. Okay, you can definitely score good marks, and I am assuming that those next 60 marks or 60 questions of non-technical you already doing practice, okay, from our whatever resources I have given you in MSP. So from that you can practice, because these 60 questions are most important and it will be deciding factor. Okay, because here our target is to get above 52 only out of 60, compulsory 52 above marks we should score. Okay, then only you can give good fight for this exam, correct? So this is all about your electronics part. Okay, now those who are from computer science background, I will discuss the strategy for the next 10 days for you guys. See, now already you have got 1 year, one complete year. Okay, so I am assuming that whatever syllabus which belongs to your branch, you already completed that. That is expected, obviously, right? So now in this 10 days, what you will revise and what you will do extra, that we will discuss. So see, about C, Java and OOPS concept, I hope you got the things, okay? Then no problem. Then about DBMS also, there is no problem. Computer network, by default, you should know. Web technology, now those who are NSA aspirant, those who are preparing for NSA and other exams where we studied web technology, if you have this, then revise. Otherwise, those who didn't study web technology, you can skip it, okay? But whatever questions, okay, see, skip mean what? It is not completely we are skipping. Whatever questions are there in your block wise strategy and mock test, okay, that you will do compulsory. It is not like completely we are skipping the subject, because obviously it is risky, because if you will get easy questions also, and then after exam you will regret that, okay, I should read that question and everything. Okay, so through block question and mock question we are doing. So whatever I will add, because definitely I will add, not I will add random questions, I will add based on thinking and just analyzing about NILET current pattern, right? So based on that only I will add the questions. So definitely probability of whatever I will add, that will increase, and you know our mock test is at question bank only, correct? So then cyber security, okay, I hope you also got the few concepts from cyber security. Then AI. Now about AI, basically if you read already, then it's fine, okay, otherwise whatever questions I will add in your block and mock, you will do. Now the basics of computer, I hope everyone knows this, no problem. Okay, digital logic also you will do here. Okay, then basics of electronics. Okay, so see, till 9th subject, okay, this part is for computer science background. I hope that 80 to 85% of the things you already covered in the 1 year, right? Now in electronics background, which subject are expected from you guys, that you should know, correct? So basics of electronics, so here see, just basics is required. Now that is what is basic, that how to apply KVL technique, KCL technique, okay, then theorems, then you can say few concepts of semiconductor you should know, okay, then MOSFET and CMOS and BJT, that basic things you should know. Okay, if you can't read now, no need to worry, because that you can cover from our block wise strategy or mock test, correct? Then communication, by default you should know this, very important subject for you guys also. Okay, so communication basic concept, modulation, demodulation, then how to find power, then what is receiver. Okay, then the next thing, that digital communication techniques like PCM, okay, then ASK, FSK, PSK, what is AM, FM, PM, lots of things are there, so that you will cover. And if you did not cover it, then you can join our MSP. Okay, data electronics already I covered, so data electronics and data logic both are same, right? There is no different thing you need to do. Control system, you can skip that if you didn't read. Electromagnetic theory also you can skip, no problem. Okay, microcontroller, microprocessor, if you read microprocessor, because in COA we read some concept, so I am assuming that you already read this. Okay, but here microcontroller part I can skip, right? Then MOSFET, CMOS, now no need to do in very much depth, because obviously in 10 days not possible. Okay, and few concepts of optoelectronics like LED, laser, okay, then photons and everything we have, that we just study. So that you can do from our block and mock, correct? So what the thing, summary, that 9 plus this 10, okay, and 10 this 11, I can say probably 12. So if you do this 12 subject also properly, then also you can give good fight to all aspirant. Okay, because the thing is that the syllabus you will get mix. Okay, means you can see here total 17. Okay, I guess total 16 subjects are there because here second is missing. So total 16 subjects are there from both the backgrounds. So definitely, and they need to just select 60 questions out of that 16. Okay, so just focus on your own branch plus whatever subject I told in here. Okay, no need to do complete skipping, but what I told you that you will do from our block and mock. Correct. So this is the plan for the next 10 days for your computer science. I can say checklist. This is the important checklist you should follow for the next 10 days. Okay, so already our block 1 is going on. So if you will join MSP now after this video, okay, if you don't have the idea about MSP and everything, you can join now. And after joining, quickly start with our block-wise strategy because already we have started that 3 days ago, right? What is the schedule of your mock test? So mock test 1 is scheduled on 31st, that is tomorrow at 3:30. Okay, then mock test 2, 4th August, and mock test 3, 8 August we will schedule. Okay, then our final video, everything will be there in your MSP. No need to worry for that. This is the schedule for your mock test. You can note down. And obviously all the 3 mock tests will available till your exam day. Okay, no problem in that. Okay, so quick idea I will give you about MSP. Those who are joining now, if you are joining and if you feel other exam form also, okay, then also definitely it will help you. Like other exams we are targeting along with NILET STR, ISRO scientist exam, okay, both CBT and PI, because you know in MSP I cover complete process because my target is to give selection. It is not like I will just give you CBT and just do whatever you want. Okay, no, our IGP also there and your CBT also there, means mock test and everything, right? And one-to-one guidance. BRSA technical officer, then NIC all posts. If you fill NIC form, then also you can join, and definitely NILET STA we are targeting. Okay, so this is up to 30th of July. These are the active exams that we are targeting in your MSP. So in one fee you can target all these exams, right? Interview guidance program, currently NILET ICRT result is pending, so definitely that I will add. Then NILET Samir is there. Okay, then IBGO exam, skill test and interview, and BEL project engineer and training engineer interview. Okay, that comes under IGP. So all these things we are covering for your MSP electronics and instrumentation, or I can say physics also. If you are doing physics in MSc, then also you can join this, right? Then the next thing, that for computer science, what are the things we are covering or we are targeting in MSP as on 30th of July. Okay, so here you can see ISRO scientist exam we are targeting. So if you feel this any of this form also along with NILET STA, then definitely you can join MSP because it will definitely benefit you. Then BRC technical officer, both CBT and PI. Okay, NIC all posts, CBT and PI. NILET STA, CBT already we are covering. In IGP, NILET ICRT interview and IBGO skill test and interview. So these are the things we are targeting in your MSP computer science. Okay, so in the comment section you will get all the links after this video. You can just join MSP and start blockwise strategy, and further guidelines I will give you in our one-to-one call. Now the important thing is that this exam they are conducting after 1 year. Okay, so whatever applications was there, I guess total 700 candidate they have shortlisted for exam. Okay, out of this 700 also, now you can say that almost 300 to 400 candidate will not come to exam, because obviously in 1 year few candidates got selected somewhere, because we have our lots of candidates, those who are already selected NTRO, then BDL, and then lots of exam happen in this 1 year, right? And you know consistently selection I am giving. So I can say guarantee that 300 to 400 candidate will not come for this. Okay, because exam center are also limited. So your actual competition is among only 300 to almost 400 candidate. Okay, out of this 300 to 400 they will shortlist total 24 candidate. As you know, only CBT is there is no interview. This is a direct recruitment. So this is your golden opportunity. If you fail in any of the exam in the last 1 year, then for an NILET STA you can prepare seriously, and strictly I will recommend those who are giving this last attempt. Okay, this exam as a last attempt, strictly join MSP, so that you will get all the techniques, all the tools that will definitely help you to crack this exam with a good marks. That is also important, right? Because without proper strategy and tools and techniques you can't survive. That's why. Okay, so yeah, all the best everyone for this exam. And about admit card and everything I will give you update. No need to worry for that. Just keep your focus on preparation. Okay, all the best.